Road tax in the UK is changing and will mean that for the first time, EV owners will need to start paying for road tax. Starting the 1st of April 2025, electric vehicles in the UK will no longer be exempt from vehicle excise duty, otherwise known as road tax, but will now cost as much as £195 a year, and significantly more if your car is registered on or after the 1st of April 2025 and had a listing price of £40,000 or more, with the expensive car supplement potentially pushing your VED to £620 a year, at least for the first 5 years. So if your EV's road tax is due for renewal from the 1st of April 2025 or later, and you wait until April to renew it, you'll need to start paying. Now, as frustrating as this does make some sense. Without this, as the percentage of cars on the road which are EVs increases, the amount of road tax being paid across the country would reduce, but the cost of road maintenance, public transport, environmental initiatives, and road infrastructure improvements continues to increase. Requiring EVs to pay tax does ensure that the available funding doesn't go down, though there's obviously big questions about how fairly and efficiently it's spent, but that's another conversation. Any EV registered before the 1st of April 2017 will only pay £20 for their next year of road tax from the 1st of April 2025, but will then go up to £195 for following years. EVs registered between the 1st of April 2017 and the 31st of March 2025 will be paying £195 per year. Any new EVs registered from the 1st of April 2025 will pay £10 for their first year and then join the rest at £195 after that. However, there is currently nothing stopping you from renewing your road tax early. Ordinarily, this wouldn't be recommended as you'd just be paying for your road tax again when it's not yet due for renewal. But as EVs have free road tax until the end of March, you can renew your road tax for another 12 months for free before that point. So if you renew it now, say mid-February, it will default back to the 1st of February as it defaults to the 1st of the current month, and you'll then not have to start paying road tax until the 1st of February 2026. This is a quick and simple process that can be done online in just a couple of minutes, and it doesn't require you to sawn your car first. So I'll show you how simple it is to renew your road tax now. Head to gov.uk/vehicle-tax, and underneath the title Tax Your Vehicle, hit the green Start Now button. Answer whether you've received a tax reminder letter. If you're doing this to retax early, you probably haven't, so I'll be selecting no, but if you have, select yes and follow the on-screen instructions. Now select which document you have from this list. Ideally, you'd have the V5C, which is the multicoloured proof of ownership form. I haven't myself renewed my road tax via the other 3 options here, so you'll need to rely on the instructions on the website if you select one of those. As I selected V5C, I just need to enter my car's registration number and the 11-digit reference number printed on the front cover of the V5C. Then just confirm that it's correctly identified your car. It will now tell you what date your car will be taxed from if you continue, and if you're doing this early, as most of you will be, it will let you know that it's not yet due to expire. We don't need to worry about these additional charges as it's currently free for us, so we'll go ahead and click continue. We now get a second warning, just letting us know that as the car is already taxed, we may be charged again, but as for now EVs don't pay tax, this doesn't apply to us and we'll hit continue again. Now it will display the details of the new tax, showing you the car, the start date and the price. Ensure that the price is displaying £0. If it displays anything other than that, then either the rules have been changed, you're too late to do this, or your car was never applicable for free road tax, in which case there's no need to retax early and you can wait until the month before your current tax expires or you receive a reminder letter from the DVLA. If it does show that the price is free, you can then optionally enter an email address and or phone number for confirmation details and then finally click continue one last time. And that's it, the application is complete. You've now got another 12 months of free road tax. Now, it's important to note that the regulations around this could in theory always change, and I'd advise you to read through each page on the form on the website whilst you're filling it in to ensure that you're not breaking any rules or costing yourself money. This is intended just as a demonstration of how to renew your road tax ahead of the due date. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please do hit the like button. I'm going to be publishing a lot of tips, tricks and tutorials on Teslas and EV tech and services, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to plug in.